Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. I wanted to do a tutorial on how I curl my hair when I want it to be kind of wavy. Of course, everyone does it differently, but this is just a way that I have been doing it for years, like 10 years. I'm going to be using the Chi G2. This is the second generation. They do have one that is the first generation, but that one is, so it's like half an inch thicker than this one, or wider than this one. But what I love about the straightener is that it heats up really fast, and it lets you know when it's done heating up to the temperature that you have adjusted it to. So this one in particular, I like it because it has like a digital, and when you turn it on, 70, so 370 is for the ones that have their hair a little bit thinner and finer, and then when you click the button again, it turns green. And when it is green, this is for people that have a little bit more thicker hair than fine hair, and this turns to 395. And then when you put it to coarse hair, which turns red, it turns to 425, and it heats up like this, like really fast. I'm not even joking you. See, it already beeped, and it lets you know when it is already ready to go. It also comes with one of these heat protector mats, so whenever you are using your tool, you can just go ahead and put it on top of the mat, and you don't have to worry about this burning your bed sheets or anything. But anyways, we're just gonna go ahead right into it. Alright, so first thing is first, I like to spray my hair with a heat protectant that is gonna protect my hair from the heat. And usually, well, not usually, I used to use like the Tresemme one, but I left it at my mom's house and I just never got it back. So I use this one. This is the Garnier Fructis one. The reason why I purchased this straightener was because the one that I had for 10 years recently, it didn't give out, but I just feel like it doesn't work as well as a new one would. Obviously it's 10 years old, and I remember I got that when I was about to be 15 for my quinceañera. After my quinceañera, I remember I got like a bunch of money, and I think it was like a little over $100 for that straightener, and it was a zebra one, and it's called Coriolis Pro, and that was a really good straightener. But obviously 10 years later, here I am purchasing this straightener, and it's really good. The reason why I tell you that it's really good is because my sister-in-law has it, and I would always use it, and it worked really well. So I thought it was time for me to buy a new one. So anyways, I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair, half of it up and half of it down, and then I split it into two sections, and it just depends on how I feel, honestly. If sometimes I want to do like really loose curls, and sometimes I like my hair to be a little bit more curly. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys both ways, but mainly what I'm going for is a wavy look. I'm going to do both ways. So I'm going to do, if you want your curls to be facing inwards, which I never do, I like my hair to face outwards, I'm going to curl my hair outwards. So I'm going to just curl this. Be careful because it's not outwards. So if you're doing this right now, get your straightener, take your pieces of hair out, and I'm gonna do a tight curl. So the slower you go down, I'm gonna just do this. The slower you go down, the more tighter your curl will be. So to really curl. Alright, and I'm gonna take another strand, but I'm gonna take half of the half, and I'm gonna do a loose curl. Now for this, I'm gonna go on top, facing the straightener down. So the first one, we went this way, and when you do them this way, they're going to be tighter this way. But if you want loose, beachy, wavy hair, you want to curl your hair with the straightener going downwards. So I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by that. I'm gonna wrap it around the straightener. And remember, if you want beachy waves, just go down kind of faster than what you did the first time, and then you're gonna have it more separated. So if you want beachy waves, bring it down, flip it, and just pull it down. And here you have a looser curl. As you can see, this is a more tighter curl and this is more of a looser curl. So it just depends what way you are. I'm just gonna continue doing this. And when I get closer to my hair, I obviously want to curl my hair outwards, not inwards, because then you're gonna have curls like chinos all up on your face. So you don't want to have that. I mean, unless if you like that, then I guess go for it, but me personally, I don't. So this is going to be a tight curl, and I'm just going to go, and I'm just going to, okay, put the straightener and twist until your strands are facing outward. And then I'm just going to flip the straightener and go down, 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 go down, 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 and there you go.
Guys.
So I'm just gonna continue curling my hair. What part did I leave off? I'm just gonna continue. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know why I look so white. I already changed the... Oh Lord. What the heck is happening here? Let's see. And the best thing about these... And the best... And the bed end, just take the straightener. Missy! Shh! I'm gonna go ahead and take, oh my gosh, this dog. Okay, let me see. So